Hello everyone. So the Success Ladder has come up with another video of multiplication in which we will be multiplying using box model method. So let's see how we can multiply using box model method. So to learn about multiplication, tables are very important. So let's begin. So first one, let us take 24 multiply by 3. So since we are doing multiplication using box model method, that means it is clear that we have to make a box for the multiplication. So how we can do? So first of all, down there I'll be making a box. So I have made a box here like this, and I'll be dividing this box to write the numbers. So just like this I have divided this box and I have made a plus sign like this. So here it is 24. So 24 means I'll be writing here 20 and 4 I'll be writing here. And this 3 I'll be writing here down. And since we are going to do multiplication, so we'll be drawing multiplication symbol here. So now we have like this. I have 24 multiplied by this 3. So I have arranged the numbers in the boxes. So now I'll be multiplying this one by one. So first I'll multiply this 3 by this 20. So this is 24. So I have expanded this digit. This number I've expanded 24. So 20 is here and 4 is here. And now I'll be multiplying it, both the numbers by 3. So 20 multiplied by 3. So how we can multiply? So this is you can do directly. So just forget this 0. So now 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. And this 0 we just write down directly here. So 3 multiplied by 20 is 60. Now 3 4s are 12. So 12 I will be writing here. And this thing in which we have written the products of this number one by one. So we call this as a partial product because this is not the complete product. This is a partial product. And product, you all know that whenever we multiply the numbers, the answer is known as product. So this is just the half product. This is just the half answer. So that's why we call it as a partial product. Now we will be adding these two numbers, this 60 and this 12. These both are partial products. So I'll be adding both to get the final product. So 60 plus 12. If I add both the things, both the numbers, so 0 plus 2 is 2 and 6 plus 1 is 7. So now 72. So that means this 72 is my final product. That means whenever we multiply 24 by 3, the product is 72. This is the final answer. 7 to 72. So this is how we can do the box model method. And now in this we have done 2 digit by 1 digit multiplication using column method. Now let's see how we can multiply 2 digit by 2 digit number using the box model method. So let's begin. So here I'll take 32 multiply by 45. Now let's see how we can do. So again we are using box model method here. So as we are using this method box model, so first step is to make a box. So I'll make this box. Okay. After that again I will divide this box like this. So I have here 2 digits number in both the cases. So here first I'll break this 32 as 30 and 2. I have expanded this 32 and I have written 32 as 30 plus 2 and I have sketched a line. After that this 45 again I can expand it 45 as 40 and 5 and I have written here in this column. Now I'll sketch this line and make compartments to multiply to find the partial product. So now putting here the multiplication symbol. After that, now one by one we will be doing it. So first I'll be multiplying both 32 by this 40, and after that I'll be multiplying it by this 5. So let's see how we can do. So first 40 multiplied by 30. So children, there are two zeros. So first hide both the zeros and simply do 4 3s are 12. Multiply 4 and 3. So 4 3s are 12. So this 12 I will be writing here and 2 zeros are here. So now 2 zeros I put at end, just like this. So this is simple way to multiply. First hide the zero and multiply the non-zero digits. That is 4 3s are 12, and at last you can add 2 zeros. Now we will be multiplying this 40 by this 2. Again hide the 0. So 4 2s are 8, and this 0 I can write here. So 4 2s are 8 and this 0. That means 40 2s are 80. Now coming to this one. For this first row it's already done. Now the second row we have to multiply this 32 by this 5. So I'll multiply this 5 by this 30. So again you can hide the zeros, and 5 3s are 15. So 5 3s are 15. I'll be writing 15 here, and this 0 I'll be writing down. Now coming up to the another one. So this 5 and this 2. So 5 2s are 10. This 10 I have written here. So now again we have got the partial product. This is the partial product. This is not the final one. So we have found the partial product. So now how we can find the final product? Just like we have done it here. We have added all the partial products to find the final product. And here we have 4 partial product. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 partial products I am having it here. So I'll be adding all the 4. That is 1200 plus 150, this one, plus 80 plus 10. And I'll be adding all this. So while adding, this is 0, then 8 plus 5 plus 4, it becomes 14. So 4 here and 1 here as carry. Now 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 becomes 4, and 1 this. So that means the product of 32 multiplied by this 45 is 1440, and this is my final product. So partial product means the half product, and final product means the final answer of multiplication. So it is 1440. So these two are the answers that we have got by multiplying. So I hope this is clear to you that how we can multiply using the box model method. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.